Hey, it's Jamie again, Shamans Toolbox. Today we're going to do a drink that I do to help stimulate digestion, and it's good for inflammation. It's an Ayurvedic concoction. So I have a juicer, but let me give you a little hint. If you line your juicer box with a bag, you don't have to worry about cleaning the container. That'll be one less thing you have to clean. So this is apples, green apples, ginger, and limes. And what I do, because I don't like to peel my limes, is I juice my lime into the jar before I start, or you can do it at the end, either one. So this is just like a immune booster shot, and we're all looking for ways to be healthy now that we've had the virus that's out. So ginger, I don't like to put my whole ginger in the juicer because it creates a big mess. So if you just slice your ginger and then take a spoon, you can just slide it right up under the outside, and it'll take the outside right off pretty easily. I'll usually do this for, I'll make enough for about 2 days because the juicer is kind of a pain to clean, and I don't want to have to do it every day. And then the nutrients, I don't think last past a day or two, so I only do it for about 2 days. So I did let me do the other half of the lime. And it's getting ready to get really loud in here. Okay, and I just put my container up under. I'm gonna turn my juicer on. I'm gonna juice all of it. Then I like the taste. So 1 apple, 1 lime, and a piece of ginger that was about that big, and that's probably what I would drink for 1 day. Again, I would usually make 2 of them so I could drink it the next day. So every 3rd day I'll do it, but that's something that would keep you healthy and happy in this time of crisis. So enjoy. Thank you.